How to log into Costco Citi Card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Type in Costco Citi Card login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Click on it. You will be directed to the official website. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of Sign On. Click on it. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. Go ahead and type in the user ID, then password. If you want to save your user ID, check in for the option of Remember User ID. If you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign On, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of Register or Activate and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into your Costco Citi Card online account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.